guys, hello and namaste everyone. So guys, let's see guidance from Mahabharata and Ramayana and also Bhagavad Gita. And here's a card, Trickster. The very first thing that I am sensing over here is, feeling over here is, maybe some sort of trickster is there in your life or may enter your life. This person can be very manipulative. They know how to win over the situation. If something is coming on them, then they very, you know, they know very easily how to, you know, uh, lay off those blames also whatever it is coming on them. They may also purposely blame someone else in directly or indirect way. This is what I'm sensing, so please beware, or some such person is there in your life who's maybe trying to manipulate a lot, so be very careful about it. And maybe this person also may be doing some sort of magic or something. This can be also the thing. So, well, I don't want wish to scare you, but whatever I felt the very first message looking at the card, that I am conveying it to you. So that can be also the thing. So guys, be little alert. Maybe some of you know who this person is, and on your face this person is showing that they are very, genuine, innocent with you and all, but behind it is not that thing. So you need to know this. Okay, so here, if you have doubt on anybody or so, one thing that can help you, if you wish to confirm, that you can have a personal guidance with respect to that people or that person. It will give you a confirmation. Don't just keep on thinking, overthinking, like who is that person, who is that person, oh, and all. Secondly, what I'm feeling is, if you are doing this, then guys, I would tell one thing. For now you may feel that you are winning over everything, you are just getting away of anything that you're doing or whatsoever it is. But do you know one thing? You are creating your karma with this, and obviously this is not a very good karma. So in near future or in your next life, you may meet some people who may do the same thing with you. If it is in your next life, you won't even understand why these things are happening with you, why you are meeting such people in your life. But if in this birth itself, if you are experiencing something like this, that someone did the same thing that you are doing to others, then you should know why. This is what I would say over here. So be little careful. This is what I would say. And one last thing that I am sensing over here is someone who is very innocent. Like some people, for them, this is, you people are really very innocent. The last thing that I'm feeling over here, you're very straightforward and all, and because of that, you get defamed. People take advantage of you. People misuse whatever genuinely you say, like, see this person, how this one is saying and all. They take advantage of it because not everyone understands it, right? Whatever you are saying and all. So you need to strategically, start acting, or, you know, conveying stuffs. This is what I feel. Now, depending upon your individual energies, your individual life, you can match it very well. This is what I would say. That someone needs to really become a trickster also in some situations. You cannot stay genuine. This is what I would say. But for some of them, if you're using it in a bad way, please improve yourself. This is what I would say. And for some of them, such a person is there in your life who is not using their skills in a very good way. Let's see guidance from Ramayana. Seeking the prize. Indication, a great quest unfolds with favorable signs. Wow, beautiful. Section 5, Lord Ram traveling with his brother and a great sage seeks to win the hand of goddess Sita, calm within the storm. Wow, let's see. Honor the extraordinary women, great gain. So, if there is any female energy in your life who is really extraordinary, who is really worth of it, like goddess Sita, then please honor it, honor them. This is what has been said. It will give you lots of benefits. Do it wholeheartedly, but not just because you're getting something, you're doing it. No, please don't do that. Seek the high prize with selfless purity. Wow. So you may receive some prize in some or the other way, then seek for it with selfless purity. This is what has been said. As we know, Goddess Sita about her personality. So, with utmost purity, please seek the prize that has been given to you. A powerful guest comes to advance our cause. So, someone is coming in your life, or someone you know is coming in your life, or this can be your guest also, relative guest in that way also. And whatever your cause is, maybe whatever you're currently doing, they will help you into that. This is what I'm feeling over here. An alliance of spiritual and worldly powers. Wow, again a beautiful message. A wise person's request should be granted. So you know someone is wise enough, then their request, if they request something, please accept it and move forward with it. And some few people, you are also gaining spiritual powers and worldly powers, materialistic in that way. Maybe you will become more, authoritative. This is what I'm sensing over here. Be prepared to travel with the sage. So someone experienced is coming in your life, and there will be some sort of traveling that may be uh, that may happen with that particular person. So be prepared for it. Take the joyful journey aligned with nature. Wow, beautiful. As rainy season, I don't know from wherever you reside, if rain has already started, you know that how the nature becomes during the rainy season. So whatever traveling will be happening, it will be you know through the nature. So enjoy it. This is what has been said to you. Let's move towards Bhagavad Gita. Let me arrange this all and we will see. Let's start. So here's the card, the destroyer. This picture is quite beautiful. But let's see what does this shlok convey. Okay, so this shlok is from chapter 10, verse 34. Shlok in Sanskrit, translation in English, and below is the explanation. Let's move towards explanation. I am death, destroyer of all. I am the source of all things yet to be. Of woman, I am fame, prosperity, speech, memory, intelligence, faithfulness, and patience. So, guys, in this look, again, Lord Shri Krishna is talking about himself. He's explaining basically that he is the ultimate force of both destruction and creation, as well as the source of all glorious virtues. He is basically revealing that he is devouring death and the origin of future of life. And among feminine qualities, he represents fame, prosperity, fine speech, memory, intelligence, steadfastness, and patience. This is what Sri Krishna, Lord Sri Krishna, is basically conveying here with this shlok. And Bhagavad Gita is all about Lord Sri Krishna, mostly about Lord Krishna. And basically, he has conveyed that if you become his devotee, what all benefits you will start getting it. Well, guys, with this, I won't say that forcibly you should become devotee of Lord Krishna, because at last it is a pull. This is what I would say. It is a calling basically. So after listening to explanations, after listening to Bhagavad Gita shloks, if you naturally feel that pull within yourself that you should start praying Lord Krishna, please do that. But no forcing. This is what I would say over here. Other than that, if you trust any other divine energy, divine deity, any other god, goddess, it's okay, because it is just calling according to the timing. Here I am just a medium, that I am conveying Lord Krishna's messages to you. So maybe today, tomorrow, or in near future, I don't know, even I may become a devotee of Lord Krishna, because currently I am not. But if you feel that pull, a natural pull, please do it. This is what I would say. Else there is no forcing, nothing. you can take this as a message also. So very beautiful uh, shlok. This is what I would say. And guys, I would say with this that if you understood the messages that I have conveyed, because here I am just a medium, be it from via Mahabharat, Ramayana, and this Bhagavad Gita, I am just being a medium. So if you're understanding my messages and you're liking it, please put a like on my video, subscribe to my channel, and do comment also, so that I will understand that yes, I am on the right path. Thank you.